Welcome to the Nichols Chemistry Roadshow. Do you know what happens when you put liquid nitrogen into a plastic bottle and close it up tight? You want to find out? Let's find out. I'm going to put about 100 milliliters in the bottle, or maybe a little more. Now we need more than that. Close it up tight. Now we'll wait. Now, the liquid nitrogen boils at about minus 300 degrees Fahrenheit. And as that liquid turns into a vapor, it expands by almost 900 times. So right now it's expanding inside of that plastic bottle, and the pressure is increasing more and more and more. And now we wait. And while we wait, let me tell you about Nichols Chemistry. So the Nichols Chemistry program has about 100 students, 16 faculty, and we are devoted to student mentorship. We pride ourselves in small classes, great teachers, and we are very proud of what our students do. Our students generally take one of 4 pathways. They will go into medicine, which includes medical school or pharmacy school. They'll go to graduate school to earn a PhD in chemistry. Let's go take a look. I think that's it.